Calculated tables are a new function within DAX that allow you to express a whole range of new modelling capabilities. For example, if you want to union tables or do different types of merge joins, or do things like creating new tables on the fly based off the results of a functional formula. Let's take a look at how you might use that to create a dimension table as part of your model. I've got a table that I pulled in here. This is the geography table. And you can see there's plenty of repeated values in, for example, this country column. What if I wanted to create a new table to create kind of a snowflake schema which just has the distinct values for countries? Well, there's a function that I can use to pull out the distinct values, but how do I turn that into a table here? Well, I can use the table calculations to do that. So I'm going to create a new table calculation. Well, all I need to do here, give it a name first, is define a calculation that returns a table. So in the case of that distinct one, it returns a one-column table that contains the distinct values from another column. So let's go and find that geography table for countries. And it's created a new table for me, just with the unique values, so France, USA, Mexico, Germany, Canada. And you can see it's appearing here in my model as a separate table. So I could go and enhance that country column with more information, pull in more reference data perhaps, and then start building relationships from that table back to the other things in my model. So it would simplify my model, turn it into more of a snowflake schema, and make it easier to do reporting on top of that.